In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful guide on how to fix an error code 0x80070490 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now the very first method that you can do is at the bottom search bar here, please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is the command prompt system, and once it's here, please navigate to the right side of that. You can see there an option called Run as Administrator. So please click on it. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. So from here, all you need to do is you need to type a first command text, which is sfc space / scan now. Again, type for SFC space / scannow, and this will do system scanning, and this will detect all the errors, the problems that you are facing in your laptop or PC. So all you need to do is you need to click on the enter key to start the process. So this would take some time, maybe 7 to 10 minutes, less than that or more than that. It would depend on the machine that you are having. But you just have to be patient with it since it will be worth it, since it will help you to fix the problem. So don't close this command prompt window and don't turn off your computer as well while on the process. Okay? So don't interrupt the process, just leave it open here. Okay, just leave it open here. So once you're good, let's say that you are done. All you need to do is you need to restart the computer. Once you have restarted it, check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second method. The second method would be at the bottom search bar again. You need to type for CMD, and for the second time a best match would appear, which is our command prompt system. All you need to do is you need to click on the run as administrator again. So by here, click on it, and if your account control would ask to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. So from here, you need to type the second command, which is DISM.exe space / online space / cleanup dash image space / Scanhealth. So please copy at the description box below the command text that I'll be including there. All you need to do is you need to copy and paste it and click on the enter key, and this will do the scanning the health of the computer, and this will also help you to fix your problem. Okay, so just be patient. This might take some time, but please be patient, and just what you did in the first method, don't interrupt the process as well. Don't close the window and don't close your computer. Okay? So unless you are done, you can now restart the computer and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the second, and I mean the third method. My bad. Type for CMD again. Okay, and the best match should appear. Please click on the option called Run as Administrator. So you can also make a right click here, and by doing a right click, you can see an option called Run as Administrator. So you can click on here, just tap on it, and if your user account asks you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you can give permission again on running this command prompt system. So from here, you need to copy and paste the third command, which is dism.exe space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health. So this will restore the health of the computer, and this will fix all the problems that you are facing when your computer. So click on the enter key and wait until this would be done. It might take some time, but it will be helpful and useful to you. Okay, so don't interrupt the process, don't close the window as well, and don't turn off your computer unless you are done. Let's say that you are done, just restart the computer again and check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the last and fourth method, and that is here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for settings. Once a best match would appear, okay, wait until the best match would appear. Once it's here, please click on the open option to continue. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way, you would be able to bring up the settings window. So here are the settings we need to do for your Windows update. So that's very important to keep our machine or computer on the latest version so that we can be able to prevent any error or issues that we might be facing. Okay, so here go with this Windows update and go with the latest version. Again, go with the latest version, just download and install the latest version and wait until it would be done and restart the computer and check if your problem has been fixed. I'm sure it will be fixed because when you run the latest update or the latest version for your PC, you will be able to fix and make improvement in your machine. Okay, so this is a very good factor that you can do. Once you're good, check if your problem has been fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.